Welcome to my channel, Learning Hub with Aunty Fatima. This is a space where you get to speak, read, and excel. Hello and welcome to Learning Hub with Aunty Fatima, a space to speak, read, and excel. What LHAF is all about. At LHAF, we focus on helping children and young learners build strong skills on diction, phonics, grammar, and communication. Whether you're preparing for exams or you just want to speak with confidence, you'll find this hub fun and engaging. Why LHAF is unique? Here, learning is not boring. We explore pronunciation games, interactive grammar drills, and reading activities that make English exciting. With me, Aunty Fatima, you wouldn't just study English, you will live it. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and family. Together, let's build confidence, improve our diction, and excel in every area of learning. Once again, welcome to Learning Hub with Aunty Fatima.
Thanks for watching Learning Hub with Aunty Fatima. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class.